Thank you so much to everyone who opens our newsletter and subscribes. We love providing value in the form of 4-Event Friday. So as many of you already know, we do 4 fun events in your county. We do a quick little written Central Ohio housing report. We compile various information from the Columbus Board of Realtors, various other subscriptions that we have that we utilize to get our information. We also do a quick little About Us section and then a small business spotlight as well at the very end. This month is our first month that we will be doing a video section of the Central Ohio Housing Report. The goal is to do these once a month as an interactive way for you to get your real estate information. So I think the way I'd like to do this is I'm going to read through the summary and some good information for everyone to have who's interested in real estate, and then I will, in my own words, summarize what that will look like for a buyer or seller. Inventory is finally up 8.1% as of last month. That means buyers might have some relief going into their home search. As many buyers know, many of my buyers know, we are in a lot of competitive situations right now. The inventory is very low in Central Ohio. We're going to need a lot of homes and a lot of new builds in order to catch up with the demand that we have now and the demand we're going to continue to have in the future. So inventory is going up. There's a little bit of seasonality in the market. The market's going to cool off a little bit. That's also nice for those who are currently still looking to buy. The median sales price for a home in Central Ohio at the beginning of the year, this January, was around $260,000. We are now in July, but in June, the average sales price was about $320,000. So since the beginning of the year, we have seen a run of about $60,000 of appreciation for your property. If you own a property, that's great news for you. It's a great time to sell. If you're looking to buy a property, do not be discouraged. That is a run of appreciation I believe we will continue to see, not just in the immediate future, but in many, many years to come. Intel is just starting construction. There are many other various suppliers, tech companies, infrastructure that's going in and around that area, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, just to name a few big names that are also starting new developments around that area too. Central Ohio is going to be the biggest chip manufacturer in the world. What that means is this project's going to span 10 years. Intel's investing many billions of dollars into the market. If you haven't bought yet, do not think you've missed the boat. That is what I want to stress. If you own a house now, great. If you're looking to buy, great. It's a great time to do both. That being said, if you're a buyer, the average interest rate is around 6.5% to 7.5% right now. That's something that buyers have gotten a lot more comfortable with over the last few months. So lots of buyers are coming out of the woodwork, they're ready to buy. And if you are looking to buy, probably expect to pay over list, especially on something that you like. If you like it, I always say chances are someone else is going to like it too. And so on average, per the Columbus Board of Realtors, buyers are paying about 102% of what the seller is asking for list price. Some more good news is that inflation that we've seen so heavily over the last year, 2, 3, is finally going down. So it's down to 3% as of June of 2023, which is great news. So this run of inflation is part of the reason why the feds have been raising the interest rates to kind of bring that down a little bit, and it's working. What that might mean is hopefully we'll see the interest rates drop a little bit in the near future. However, there's no guarantees. What I always say is marry the house, date the rate. You can always refinance when rates are lower, but if you miss the house, you might miss that opportunity. So with that run of appreciation we just spoke about, find the right house for you. Let's make it happen. Let's talk about investing for a second. As you know, not many of you are in Newark or live around Newark, but a quick local spotlight that I'm going to plug is Newark. So over the last year, Newark has seen a 91% increase in sales, almost 100%. People are buying in Newark, investors are buying in Newark because of the proximity to Intel. This is going to be huge. The median price as of last year was around $170,000. It is currently sitting at $243,000. Licking County is less than 20 miles away from that infrastructure there. So if you're an investor who's looking to get into the game, you haven't missed the boat. If you're looking to buy property, buying in Newark, Ohio might be a good option for you. If that's the case, we can certainly go out to Newark and help service you there as well. Thanks everyone for tuning in. That is the first video updated to Columbus Housing Report. Hopefully the quality and the content will only get better from here. I appreciate your time. Have a nice rest of your day.